everyone, and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be unboxing this month's BoxyCharm. That is right, you guys. I literally just got this in the mail. I didn't think it was going to be coming until Wednesday, and as I'm filming this, it is Saturday. I didn't think it was going to be coming until Wednesday, but it sprung up on me, and I'm very excited because I have been like really wanting to get this one this month. I'm very excited about it. I wasn't even planning to film this right now because I've already filmed today. The video you saw yesterday, I had already filmed today, so I just put on different clothes, like comfy clothes, and I'm just filming another one. I just thought, well, I went ahead and got my BoxyCharm, so I might as well go ahead and film. Why not? So yes, you guys, if you would like to see what is inside this month's BoxyCharm, then keep on watching. I have a feeling I held that upside down. I did. So I have already cut the tab here, you guys, and full disclosure, I do know what's in here. I had a really hard time staying away from the Instagram spoilers on BoxyCharm's Instagram, but it's totally fine. There is one thing, I haven't looked at anything, but there is one thing that I do know that I have, like, there's one thing that I have taken the wrapper off of because it was going to be impossible for me to show it to you and have to like unwrap it and everything. So I did look at one thing. That's it. So when you open it, here is what it looks like inside. I'll give you a sneak peek. So yeah, I'm super excited. We're just gonna go ahead and just bust right into this. The first thing that I see on top here, I'm so freaking excited about because, as you know, I have really been getting into wearing lashes recently, and I'm trying a whole different kinds of them. That didn't work. I'm trying all the kinds that I can. And this is from a brand, Lashaholic, and it's luxury lashes. This is what the actual packaging looks like. It feels really good. It's got this really gold metallic glitter on the back here, and here are all their social media handles if you want to go follow them on social media. But yeah, this must be a indie lash brand, and I have not looked at these. Like I said, there is only one thing that I actually looked at and took the wrapper off and everything. So these, I don't know what they look like. Oh, they're cute. They're smaller. They're not like small, but they're not super stacked, if you know what I mean. They look really cute. I'm so excited to give these a shot. I have really gotten into lashes, you guys. I don't know the style. Does it tell me the style? Insta Glam. I guess that must be the style right here. Insta Glam. This is so cute. I'm so excited to try these. I'll probably try these tomorrow or something. But these right here are the... You get the little pamphlet, and this month the theme is Gold Digger. That's cute because it's like, oh, look at all these awesome boss babes. Look at that. That's dope. That's great. And then these right here are the Lashaholic lashes, Instaglam false eyelashes, and these do retail for $14.99. So $15, not bad for these lashes. I'm very excited to give them a shot. Next in the box, I do have these brushes right here. Now, Luxie brushes, I feel like things that I've gotten multiple times. So in each box that I've gotten since I started BoxyCharm, I started in August, I believe, I think we've gotten Luxie brushes. I don't know why they keep putting the brushes in here. I'm sure they're really good brushes. I like them, but I don't know how do I get this open? I do like them. I feel like they put them in a lot of their boxes, which is totally fine. Here are the premium synthetic handcrafted brushes, and they come in this cute little carrying case right here. These are cute. Now, the one brush that they sent us from Luxie in the Boxy Luxe in September, I really like that brush. That brush is awesome. Now, here are these four actually right here. So these are really cute. I love the handle. I think they are really pretty. I love the gold on them. You can see that right there. Now, if I'm being totally honest, I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. This one's a mini tapered brush. I mean, I guess you could like do it in the crease. Don't really know. A mini angled brush, a mini round brush, and a mini flat angled brush. So cute. You get 4 brushes right here. That is nice. And these do retail for $21 for the set. So they are the Luminous eye set. So cute, cute, cute. And then the next thing, this is the thing that I did unwrap, and I haven't fully unwrapped it because it's hard to get like the cellophane off of like eyeliner pencils. All right, here we go. Okay, there we go. It's coming off. Got it. I got it off. Okay, so this right here, this is the, I'm gonna say this wrong, Jaune Bleu. I don't know how to say it. But here's what it looks like. It looks really, really pretty, and it is a black glitter eyeliner pencil. And here is what it looks like. Ooh, that's definitely glitter. Yeah, that's a lot of glitter. That's pretty though. Here's what it looks like. If you can see the glitter pieces in there, that is cute. I didn't swatch this. I opened it up, but I hadn't swatched it yet, so I didn't know what it actually looked like. But yeah, this is really cute. A glittering star eyeliner. Yeah, this is adorable. My mom loves eyeliner, like pencils. I'm not really into eyeliner pencils all that much, but my mom likes them, so I'm probably going to give this to her because she will 100% use this. And that right there is the, I'm saying it wrong, Jaune Bleu glittering star eyeliner, and that does retail for $5, so this is the cheapest thing. And the next thing I have here is, I was so excited when they announced this was going to be in the box. This is the Cover FX glitter drops, and I think this is a like exclusive shade that is in this box. I don't know if they have it in stores or what, or if it's just exclusively to BoxyCharm, but these, if you guys have ever tried the Cover FX like oh, what are they called, enhancing drops? I don't think so. They're like a highlighter drops. It's basically a liquid highlighter. I'm so freaking excited for this. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh man, this will take you so long to use. Look at that. Oh my god, I didn't even know what the color looked like. I mean, obviously I saw it online, but you gotta see that in person, man. That is gorgeous. And let me actually go ahead and just drop a few drops on my hand. Now, I don't know, these are new, so I don't know if this is the same thing as the highlighter drops, or if these are like a different formula, but I'm so super excited to give this a shot. Like, it is, that is so nice. And then when you put it on your hand, oh my gosh, you really, this will last you forever. Like, I don't see how you would ever run out of this, but look at that. Oh my god. And then when you rub it in, oh, I'm not trying to be dramatic, but holy crap, is that pretty. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Let me see, can you, I already have highlighter on, so I don't know if that really helps. Oh, but that is so pretty. Oh yeah, I can see that. I can see the difference. Oh, that's so pretty. That's gorgeous. This is really, really pretty. I am super excited for this, and I think you can actually use this on your skin as well, well, like your body. But this is the Cover FX glitter drops in the shade Nova. These ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter create a high impact reflective finish that wows. Can be used alone or over makeup or mixed into your foundation or moisturizer for an incredibly luxe glitter effect on the face and body. So that is awesome. So it's not just a highlight situation. You can use it in tandem with a bunch of other things. So that's awesome. I'm so excited to use this going forward. It's freaking beautiful. And then the last thing I see here is this baby right here, and I was very excited, or I am very excited to get this in the box this month. This is from the brand Ace Beauty, and if you know, I reviewed 2 of their palettes not too long ago. I was so excited when I heard this was going to be in the box. This is their, what's it called? Ooh, how do I say that? I don't know how to say that either. It's so pretty. And then it's the Grandiose. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. I don't know how to speak French. I think that's French. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it's a French thing. I don't want to say anything incorrectly because I know that I will, and I don't want to be that person. That's like, omelette du fromage. I don't want to do that. I don't want to be that person. But then when you open it up, here's what it looks like. I'm going to take the little sheet out here. Look at how gorgeous this little guy is. It's so cute. cute. I'm so excited. I'm gonna do a tutorial on this tomorrow. I'm so stoked. This like primrose shade right here is like calling my name. This one called Poppy, oh my god. Oh my god, that one's gorgeous. These are so pretty and I'm just so excited to have another one of these palettes. Like Ace Beauty, you guys are killing it. If by any reason they're watching this, so happy for you guys. These are so good and just so pretty. And this palette does retail for $24.99, so definitely not a bad price for this palette, but I think it's so nice. Let me total everything up for you just so we can get the full retail price of the box this month. So the Cover FX Drops is definitely the most expensive thing, coming in at $44, and then the palette is $24.99, and then the brush set is $21, and then the glitter eyeliner was $5, and then the falsies were $14.99. So $109 this month. Not too bad, mate. Not too bad at all. I really am very happy with a lot of the stuff that I got this month. My favorite things are 100% these two items, and I'm very excited for the lashes as well. Even these three things, we paid $21 for this box. Let me reiterate that to you. $21. This is not sponsored. They don't send me this. I buy this with my own money, and I love these things so much. This is, hands down, I can say, and I'm not worried about it, I can say this is the best subscription box on the internet, in my opinion, for makeup. It's such a good quality, and you get so much for so little money. It's insane. So even $21 for these three things would have been worth the box, you know, but you get two extra things, you know, thrown in there as, you know, just a little bit of extra, but it's just, I like it a lot. But yes, you guys, that is going to be the box for this month. I hope you really did enjoy this video. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.